Ask Micah Anything, AARI edition. A user on LinkedIn asks, thanks for doing another AMA. Excited to learn more about AARI. Here's my question. How is it different from a bot? Thanks in advance. So when we think of a bot, I think of a specialized software robot that's able to automate high volume repetitive tasks in an auditable and reliable way. And that was a definition we gave from the What is RPA, AA Illustrates that we did a while ago. As far as AARI is concerned, AARI is the Automation Anywhere Robotic Interface, and it allows users to interact with bots. And so it's the ability of a user from their desktop or from an integrated app or from Salesforce or Excel to be able to trigger a bot directly from within the app. And so you don't have to switch applications, you don't have to go tell the IT guy to trigger a bot for you because you need it to run or wait for a schedule. And so I think of AARI as that interface that allows me to actually run those bots native to where I am. AARI also helps to orchestrate the people and bots together. So when I think of a workflow, right, that might have 5 or 6 different steps in it, AARI allows me to have humans do some of those steps and bots do other parts of that steps, right? And so that allows humans to make better decisions because they have better data, and bots are augmenting the work that they're doing. And so that's where AARI really fits into play. Hey, thanks for your question. This has been Ask Micah Anything, AARI edition.